Hi everybody. In this video, we'll be discussing about bimetallic strip and its major application in thermostat. See, coming to this bimetallic strip is made up of two different materials. Two different materials will be there, which will be held together or joined together by using a permanent joint or a temporary joint like welding or riveting, all these things. See, this majorly works on the coefficient of expansion of the metals. When two different metals are there, these two different metals will have different coefficient of expansions. So, based on this bimetallic strips will be working. For example, if you take a steel, brass or copper material, both joined together, then what will happen is when you are heating, this copper or brass will expand fastly. As a result of that, you will find the shape like this. Whereas if you put a copper or brass bar above and a steel bar below, and if you start heating, so then what will happen is you will get the shape like this. See, the coefficient of expansion of copper or brass is more compared to that of steel. On this very principle and the simple two strip equipment, majority of the electrical appliances will be working. So let us see what is this bimetallic strip. See, many engineering devices automatically control temperature without electronic sensors. One of the simplest and most reliable methods is the bimetallic strip, which operates based on unequal thermal expansion of different metals. So bimetallic strips are inexpensive, durable and require no external power for sensing and are widely used in temperature control and safety devices. Now, coming to the definition of bimetallic strip. So it is a strip made by firmly joining two dissimilar metals having different coefficients of linear expansion. When the temperature changes, the two metals expand or contract by different amounts, causing the strip to bend. So this is what we have seen in the diagram. Now coming to the principle, so different metals expand by different amounts for the same rise in temperature. If two metals with different coefficient of thermal expansion are rigidly bonded together, on heating, the metal with high coefficient of expansion tends to expand more. Just we have seen the example. Copper or brass will have high coefficient of expansion. As a result of that, it will expand more compared to that of steel that we have seen earlier. Since both metals are joined together, there will be no free expansion possible. So the strip bends towards the metal having lower coefficient of expansion. Similarly, on cooling, the strip bends in the opposite direction. So common metal combinations that we will come across is brass and steel, and this is majorly used in thermostats. Brass and invar, so this will be used in precision instruments. Copper and steel temperature switches, copper and invar measuring instruments. So these are the common metal combinations that we usually come across in bimetallic strips. Now coming to the characteristics, if you might have observed, the construction is very simple and the operation is reliable because based on the coefficient of expansion of the material property itself, the operation is happening. So it is more reliable, then requires no external sensing powers, automatic operation, long service life and low maintenance cost. Just two metal strips. So what will be the maintenance required for them? Just we need to see whether they are not getting rust. Okay. Now coming to the construction, a bimetallic strip consists of two strips of different metals. So the strips are permanently bonded by riveting or brazing or welding or rolling. The combined strip acts as a single unit. The metals are selected so that the coefficient of thermal expansion differs significantly. We have seen the combinations as well. Now coming to types of bimetallic strips, you will have straight type. So simple strip, one end fixed, other end free to move. Used in thermostats and switches majorly. So this is straight type. Then the next type is spiral type. The strip is wound into a spiral, and here the advantages will be the greater movement, higher sensitivity, compact design, and applications will be majorly in dial thermometers and temperature gauges. This is spiral type. Then the next type will be helical type. So the strip is wound in the form of a helix. So here industrial temperature controls precision instruments use this kind of bimetallic strip. Now coming to thermostat. See, thermostat is an automatic temperature control device that maintains the temperature of the system within the desired range by opening or closing an electric circuit. And thermostats use bimetallic strip as the sensing element. They don't use any kind of sensors, simply a bimetallic strip is being used. Now coming to the comparison between the bimetallic strip and a thermostat. See, bimetallic strip is a single mechanical component, whereas thermostat is the entire control device or the system. Its composition of bimetallic strip will be two distinct metals bonded together, example brass and iron, or copper and iron you can take. So thermostat, you'll have a temperature sensor, user interface, and electric switch. So primary function of bimetallic strip is to convert temperature changes into mechanical movement, whereas thermostat regulates and maintains a specific desired temperature. So output of bimetallic strip is physical bending or curving, whereas thermostat electric signals to turn a system on or off. So other applications of bimetallic strip, it is used in dials, thermometers, circuit breakers, whereas thermostat is exclusively used for climate and heating and cooling control. Now, coming to the principle of thermostat. So, thermostat operates on the principle of unequal thermal expansion of two bonded metals, unequal expansion. Okay, so this also uses a bimetallic strip. As the temperature changes, the bimetallic strip bends and controls the electric contacts. So, here coming to the construction, the bimetallic thermostat consists of a bimetallic strip, fixed electric contact, moving contact, adjusting screw or temperature setting, electrical terminals, and protective housing will be there. Then working of the thermostat, when temperature is below the set value, the electric contacts remain closed. Current flows to the heating device and the heating continues. So when the temperature is below the set value, if the temperature is above the set value or reaches the set value, the strip starts bending. Then the contacts will separate, electric circuit opens, and the heating stops. When temperature falls again, the strip cools and returns to the original position. Contacts close again, heating resumes automatically. So this cycle continues to maintain a nearly constant temperature. Now coming to advantages of thermostat, you'll have automatic temperature control, saves electrical energy and prevents overheating, improves safety, extends equipment life and requires minimal maintenance. This also requires minimal maintenance. You might be wondering where these thermostats will be used. You can see electric iron, fire alarms and circuit breakers. So these are the applications of thermostat. Okay, so I hope you have understood the fundamentals of this bimetallic strip and the thermostat. See, thermostat is an equipment which uses bimetallic strip. Okay, try to remember that bimetallic strip is a simple equipment. So, which will be joined by using a joint, two different materials will be there. So, which will have different coefficient of linear expansions. Okay, so this is a simple equipment and requires less maintenance. Okay, I hope you understood this concept. Thank you. All the best.